Why is a person that is partaking in jihad exempted from fasting?
When a person is taking part in jihad, but natural fasting will make him weak and he will not be able to perform that well in jihad while fighting the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is the reason the beloved Prophet said, it's mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 2, chapter number 420 in the book of fasting, hadith number 2486, that when Prophet Muhammad was going for jihad, he told the Sahabas that we are approaching the enemies. And if you don't fast, it will make you stronger. So break the fast. After this statement, some of the Sahabas, they broke the fast. Some of them yet continued fasting. The next time they stopped, the Prophet said, fasting will make you weak. If you don't fast, you'll be stronger. So break your fast, and I command you, you break it. That's the time when everyone broke. So therefore, but natural, when we fast, we make ourselves stronger. So we can fight in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in a better way. And there are more chances of victory, inshallah.
Okay.